NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with my favorite products for the month of March. If you're interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. I cannot believe March is almost out of here. I mean, time flies by so fast, especially as you're getting older. It just flies by. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my favorite product. The first product that I want to bring to you today is by JLo Beauty. It is that Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. It is a moisturizer, okay? Here it is right here. What I find interesting about these products by JLo Beauty, the ingredients are really great. She uses olive oil and hyaluronic acid and other great ingredients in her products. When I first reviewed this line, I'll link it up here somewhere, when I first reviewed it a couple of years ago. Some of the products she has now, she didn't have before. However, I did love the moisturizer in the beginning. I fell in love with the moisturizer. It is a little pricey, but it does hydrate and it has really great ingredients, okay? JLo Beauty, that Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. It really does hydrate your skin, and I have a little demo when I'm applying this cream to my skin. I really liked how it actually felt on my skin. Felt very hydrating, and I just love this product. It's a really great hydrating moisturizer. A little on the pricier side, but I love the packaging. I'm always about that packaging. It looks really nice on my beauty desk that I have on my little counter here. It looks very nice and elegant. It's like that Hollywood type, that old Hollywood look. You know what I mean? Let me just show you how this looks. I just love this packaging. You can sell me anything if it's in a nice package. The next product I want to talk about is a product that Lancome sent me. It says Lancome Advanced Genifique Serum, Youth Activating Serum. And here it is right here. Really cute packaging too. I love packaging. Very cute, elegant. Let me tell you a little bit about this. And I've been using it since they sent this to me. I've been having this probably about a month or so now. So, you know, I always like to use products and try them out for at least a couple of weeks before I give you any kind of thoughts on it, okay? So let me just see. This serum strengthens the skin moisture barrier in one drop. A strong skin moisturizer barrier helps to lock in hydration and defend against external aggravations, including pollen, colds, dry weather, etc. Formulated with 10% prebiotic, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, G, and anti-aging serum to help improve the look of dull skin and the signs of aging for visibly glowy skin. It says what it does, it improves elasticity and improves the appearance of fine lines caused by dehydration or due to thinning skin, which you know when you have thinning skin, you're aging, okay? Which can eventually deepen into wrinkles. Using morning and night, Advanced Genifique Serum visibly hydrates, plumps, and even tones to restore healthy, younger looking skin in just 7 days. And you know what? I totally agree. I use this day and night. Using it as like a night serum, and I did not apply moisturizer on it, anything, just to see how my skin felt. When using this product, my skin felt hydrated. It looked hydrated. I have a little clip that I will show you as I'm talking about it. When I apply this on my skin, I really saw my skin glow. After 7 days, my skin did look plump. It looked even glowy every day when I applied this. When I wore no makeup, my skin just looked really healthy and glowy. So when I'm applying any kind of serums, I always like to apply, especially up here and right here around my mouth. So yes, I really love this. This is a little pricey as well, but it works. I do not mind spending money on my skincare because this is the only skin that you have, and I want to preserve it for as long as I can. Now, I do not use all products that are expensive, but the ones that I do like, I do purchase over and over and over again, okay? So yeah, this is one of my favorite products I've been using for the month of March. Love this stuff. So the next product, I'm all about this skincare. Lately, it's a lot of skincare that I've been using this month, and I really like it. So bear with me. I have some makeup and other items, but we're going to get through the skincare first, and then we'll move on to the makeup and other things, okay? So the next product that I want to talk about is by JLo Beauty again, And this one she did not have in the original set that I purchased. She didn't have this product then. It is, let me blow it. Hold on. It's the JLo Beauty That Big Screen, a broad spectrum SPF moisturizer of 30. This is a very hydrating SPF, okay? It's an SPF of 30, but it's hydrating and it does not leave that white cast on your face, okay? I love it. Love it. Again, super cute packaging, and it's an SPF of 30, so I love this. I mean, really love this a lot. You can go on her site, you can see all the ingredients. Sometimes when you use an SPF, it feels drying. It's the last product that you use after your moisturizer, then you apply this, okay? Your sunscreen. And it's always sometimes after I moisturize real good, and then I apply a sunscreen. Sometimes sunscreens can dry your skin out, even though you need them. However, they can dry your skin out, and I may apply some more moisturizer and apply some more SPF on it again, but I didn't have to do that with this one. It's a couple of them that I don't have to do that with, and I love them. I've shared them with you over and over again, my favorite sunscreen products. But yeah, this is one of them as well. Love this. I like the way and none of her products, like her moisturizer, her sunscreen, they do not have a scent. I love that they do not have a scent. So the next product on my list that I want to talk about is it looks like it's called Dermatology, but there are no vowels in this, okay? It's a brightening eye mask. Oh my goodness. Here it is right here. These eye masks are so wonderful. I love them. I apply them during the day, sometimes before I do my makeup. I apply them right before I do my makeup. My mom has used them. These are wonderful. They're brighten. They help brighten your eye. If you have dullness, if you have puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles, it helps with all of that. And I love them. Oh my goodness, I just love them so much. Let me see if I can read what they actually say. Here they are right here. Comes with a little spatula, so you can just scoop it up. Again, I will show you how I apply them, and I have them on my face. They say keep them on between 10 and 15 minutes. Love them, and my mom likes them as well. She said, oh my goodness, I really felt a big difference. They make my eyes feel better. But she loves them, like really. Should have brought it in here so she could tell you about it. But she loves them. It says, awaken tired, dull eyes with these revitalizing eye masks. These innovative masks deliver a burst of hydration and targets the look of crow's feet, dark circles. It also has a powerful ingredients like caffeine and hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. It works to pamper and depuff the appearance of the delicate eye area, revealing younger looking eyes. Dermatologists approved. Leave eyes looking well rested in 10 to 15 minutes. Restore it in a refrigerator for extra depuffiness anymore. And sometimes I have puffy eyes in the morning, especially if I eat something salty like chips before I go to bed. It always shows in my eyes. I just started that, honey, so we'll talk about that another time. But yeah, I love these. It is called Dermatology. I don't know. It's Dermatology. Let me just show you. But I love this product and I love these masks. Love them, love them, love them. I think this is the last of the skincare. The next product is also by Dermatology, Dermatology. I don't know. It is the primer. Number 1 primer. It preps the skin, creating a smooth, lasting base for makeup. Protect the skin from the environment stressors while instantly blurring the appearance of pores and fine lines. And I apply it in this area, especially when I'm starting to get pores. Or I'm starting to see pores sometimes. Right in this area. Oh my goodness. When I apply it, it instantly blurs the appearance. And it keeps my makeup on all day long. I absolutely love this primer. And it's moisturizing. It doesn't dry my skin out. This may be my number 1 primer. It just may be. I'm telling you. Here it is right here. Love this primer. It is absolutely wonderful. Next product we're going to talk about now is not skincare. We're going to move on to makeup. I only really have one, well, a couple of products, just maybe 2 products in the makeup area category. And it is by L'Oreal True Match. It is that new one that everyone was talking about, the L'Oreal True Match. I picked up the shade N5.5. Here it is right here. Yeah, this is the foundation that I have on there. It blends in perfectly. My absolute complete shade. And I love this. Oh my goodness. It's moisturizing, doesn't set onto fine lines and wrinkles. It's just wonderful. This is one of the shades that I used in the original one by L'Oreal, the N5.5. So I said I want to try, see if it's the same shade. And it is my perfect complexion. I love it. I have it on today. I've been wearing it almost every day. Anytime I go out, date night, I use it. I love it. It is wonderful. It is just that good. And I love it. So I wanted to bring it here. I've been using it this whole month. I picked it up in the beginning of this month, and I've been using it ever since. Love this. It goes well with the primer that I'm using. I use the primer, and I'm telling you, it lasts all day long. Right now, it is 8:28. I still have it on PM. Okay, that is. This is a wonderful, affordable foundation. I love it. By L'Oreal. Love this foundation. Last one for the makeup category, okay? And this is a mascara by Maybelline. It says the Falsies Lash Lift, okay? I love this. I have it on now. It kind of lifts my lashes. It brings them out, you know? And I like the way the wand is, okay? There it is right here. I really like this. And I saw this in the store and I said, let me try, because I'm always looking for affordable mascaras. You know, you can buy these high-priced mascaras, but I've noticed they do just about the same as the affordable ones. I'm always looking for affordable mascaras that actually lengthens your lashes. So yeah, this one is by Maybelline, the Falsies. Let me show you how this looks. So the next product that I want to bring to you, as I'm getting older, I get a little bit more gassy. Yeah, I know, TMI. But I wanted to bring this to you because maybe this can help someone, you know, as you age, your digestive system starts to change. And I noticed, I was just like, why am I feeling so sluggish and everything after I eat, even though you take laxatives, all that great stuff. I remember my doctor told me about digestive enzymes, and I was like, and I was doing it, but all of a sudden I stopped. So I said, let me purchase some more and see. I noticed I feel so much better. I've been taking them now for over 2 or 3 weeks, and it just really helped my system. Take them before you eat or sometimes after you eat. On this channel, we discuss some of everything, okay? So this has really been helping me. It's digestive enzymes, and they work, and they make me feel so much better. So I take them after my meal, and it really helps. As you get older, sometimes your system slows up a little bit. You need a little help. Consult your doctor to see if this is something that you need, especially if you're feeling sluggish or you just having maybe a little bit more gas than normal and things like that. You know, it really has helped me and my mom as well. So I told her about them, and she said she even feels so much better. So I just want to show you these. Honey, we talk about everything on this channel. There's nothing that we do not talk about. All right, guys, so that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel on the way out if you haven't done so already, and thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch this video. I appreciate it. Peace and love until next time.